championships are in abundance. Just last year, a lovely University of Miami woman diver from Italy won a national championship. This thing's been staring at me all damn day. Mark, I'm a little winded.
That's all I can say. You talk the whole time. I'll give you a chance to catch your breath. You son of a bitch. You're crazy.
I hope somebody got a lifesaver over there. My man's out of breath.
And he's a long way to the top.
Somebody.
Are you going to jump in there?
Oh my God.
Yeah, so
I'm tired. Where are you?
Oh, you're going to take the jacket off. Okay. Oh, he's taking his shirt off. Looking ripped. Looking ripped. Oh, he's taking the drawers off.
ladies and gentlemen,
The pants.
ladies and gentlemen,
Not the drawers.
ladies and gentlemen, if you come to this beautiful campus, you will notice quickly that the students here love this university. They love this atmosphere. And I'm with everybody. I think the U is back. Give me.
He's got the speed on it. Oh my God.
Give me the.
Chains, baby. Here it goes. Oh God. Here it goes. Miami and Florida tonight. Let's have a look at that again. Check out the film, Herbie. Let's see your target. We need just to pick up 21. Let's get it right. Perfection. I wonder when he's survived. It's out of breath. How that was. Bring this microphone. We'll find out next week. Matthew Kachuk. Unbelievable job. It's our guest speaker today. Great to have you. Glad you're healthy. And before the season, Chase and Stanley Cup again. McAfee. Glad you. Gotta make sure everything's in alignment. When you go over there, find out.